Welcome to the 2020 Startup Stars Competition, brought to you by Rowan College at Burlington County's newest 3+1 program, Business Administration, with a focus on global business and leadership. This new business offering allows students to earn an associate's and bachelor's degree for less than what most universities charge for a single year of tuition. To learn more about the new 3+1 Business Administration program, go to rcbc.edu/3+1.
Welcome, everyone. I am Anna Pianzo-Cotton, Vice President of Workforce Development here at Rowan College at Burlington County. And I am thrilled to welcome you to our first ever fully virtual Startup Stars Competition Showcase. This program has been long in coming. We began planning back in winter for a program that was inclusive of our current students, area high schools, and community members. We strove to integrate the process into existing coursework and planning, as well as to provide workshops that would serve our community well beyond this competition. I want to acknowledge and thank Erica Franklin and Megan Riffle, our project coordinators, for taking that vision and running with it and bringing this program to you today. As we were just buttoning up our plans for the showcase event, we had to pivot to remote learning and table all public events. This virtual event is the culmination of that pivot. As we bring this to you, we are still in an entirely remote setting and planning for a limited fall return to campus. This season has taught us, if nothing else, the importance of resilience, adaptability, integrating technological innovation into our daily activities, and the value of good old-fashioned balanced planning, persistence, and tenacity. Of course, these are the skills that the Startup Stars competition has always been about. Nurturing the spark of opportunity and creativity into a well thought out plan that can move forward and have an impact on the world. This year's entries are no different in that sense, though our process and delivery has adapted to the changes around us. They stand as stellar examples of the leadership, tenacity, and innovation it takes to move great ideas and solutions forward. I'm honored and so excited to present to you this year's Startup Stars finalists. Thank you again for joining us and for your continued support of our work to develop the leaders of the future. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Hi, I'm Matisha Patel, based out of Philadelphia, and my background is in biomedical engineering. I currently run a health tech startup called Notacare, and we bridge a communication gap between providers and the patient's family members by sending real-time updates on the patient's status. I also mentor and advise young entrepreneurs at Drexel, Venture for America, and Yale's Innovation Lab, and I look forward to hearing your pitches.
Aren't you sick of going to the doctors and having to fill out that long form every single time you go, talking about the same things over and over again? Wouldn't it be great if you had a solution to all of that? Well, today I do. I created a watch that is called Medscan that has an app on it that with a barcode that when you go to the doctors, you easily scan and then it pops up all your information. So instead of going to the doctors every time and filling out that long form for about a half an hour before your actual visit, you can have Medscan. The app can be installed through your phone, computer, etc. Any device really. The app would require two-step security to access, which would include a password and a Touch ID/face recognition.
How many times have your friends and family struggled to pick on a place to eat just because you couldn't all decide on the same thing? That's why today I bring you The Den, the ultimate culinary experience. Social and interactive aspects of markets have been lost in modern times, especially in the United States, where everything has become so structured. As we get through these unprecedented times, people are going to be looking for something new, refreshing, but most importantly, safe. And this is how The Den will lead the industry in the future. We'll offer variety and experience that no restaurant can bring to the table. Consumers will be able to explore an open floor layout, pick from various styles of food, where they want to sit, and who they want to socialize with. Food is such a universal love that only differs by the way traditions and cultures try to create their own thing, that it could really bring in people from all walks of life by offering so many options and then giving them the chance to be together.
Greetings. My name is Cheryl McLeod, and I am the proud owner of Katash Collections. We consider ourselves premier creators of luxury and custom greeting products. We take pictures of special moments and turn them into greeting cards, whether it's a walk on the beach, getting a haircut, a floral arrangement, a mother's kiss, or a gazebo. I believe I have something unique. Not just any greeting card, but something different with a luxury and custom twist. Luxury, meaning we would print on linen cardstock, a beautiful fine texture. Custom, this customization would establish our brand. Another venture is to have an official launch of Katash at a Burlington County location, inviting the public, like a staging, to offer design services and sell products.